Hello, my name is James Bruger, and I will be showing you the benefits and risks of physical activity with the geriatric population. Go here to the next slide. Now we're going to look at a background. We're going to talk a little bit about what physical activity refers to. It is all movement. So popular to be active include walking, cycling, wheeling, sports, active recreation, and play, and can be done at any level or skill and for enjoyment by everyone. And that's by everyone. So for us, it's going to be the geriatric population. We kind of split it into two different categories here. We have aerobic exercise, which is it's like cardiovascular conditioning. This involves just things like walking, cycling, swimming, running, playing games, stuff of that nature. You'll probably know it as cardio, but it's really just getting active and and then there's resistance exercise, which will increase your muscle strength by making your muscles work against a force or weight. So it's like weightlifting, strength training, calisthenics, things of that nature. And for our population, we want to do both, right? So we want to work not only on our aerobic exercise, but on our resistance exercise too, because there are good health benefits for both for us. Yes, but as we keep going, so physical activity for you, for our population, for what we're working with, our aerobic would involve things like walking. So it'd be managing whether you go slow or you go brisk, and you pick up your pace a little bit and pick up your intensity. Water sports, whether it's swimming, or if you can't swim, maybe water aerobics, that type of thing. Cycling, whether it's on the bike, as we can see in the picture above, or on like biking, or on the machine, like the picture above. Then there's yoga, hot yoga, regular yoga, whichever one could prepare you and is best for you, and your personal situation would be best for you. And then there's just games like ping pong, cornhole. For me personally, I put cornhole on there because our lacrosse team does some community service hours at the Kingston home in Hickory, and we played cornhole with a lot of the geriatric population there, and they love it and enjoy it, and it's honestly a cool time to not only have everyone be involved. There's patients or guests, residents there who are in wheelchairs and walkers, and they still play just as good as us, and if not better than us. So I think that would be a cool activity that we could add to our aerobic exercise. And then look at some resistance exercises that would involve like body weight calisthenics, light weightlifting. As you can see, there's a picture. I think the webcam is covering it, but it's clients doing some dumbbell bicep curls with just some light weight, just to get the movement in there. Then there's wall push-ups, where you're just doing your push-up against the wall. We want to make sure to keep these slow and controlled movements. We're not going to like break any weightlifting records or do anything of that nature. It's more of just get active, get stronger, keep your muscles and your bones where they're nice and strong. And then we're going to keep the repetitions and the sets relatively low. Nothing crazy, nothing to push you too strenuously hard, but you still want to feel it and get the benefits of that. So continuing on, we have the intensity and the duration. So for all physical activity, we want to be safe. And remember, we're doing this to prevent injury and improve our health. We're doing this for the benefits, right? We do not want to overdo it. We want to keep our activities between 30 to an hour, 30 minutes to an hour long. We're not going to strenuously push ourselves and do this like super hard training regimen. It's just to get you out, get you active, get the benefits, and then get back and do some of the other things inside. We also need to stay within our boundaries for our intensity. It's better to be safe than sorry. This just basically means you don't want to push yourselves to go too hard. Like, you don't want to be doing weight or doing things that will get you hurt. You want to stay relatively grounded and just know your body and just know your limits. Let's try and get physically active for 5 days a week. I feel like that's a good mile marker. Maybe 5, maybe 7. But I thought 5 would be good, as it gives you 2 days a week off. So you could go 2 days, day off, 3 days, day off. Just to, you don't want to overdo it, and you don't want to you don't want to overdo it. Continuing on, why? And these are the benefits of why you would do it. So it improves your strength. This keeps you to stay independent, stay stronger. You don't need your grandkids to come over and help you unload the car or put something away. It improves your balance to prevent falls. This then prevents injuries because of that. Believe it or not, it actually provides you more energy. You're getting out, you're getting active. This gives you more energy. It can prevent or delay diseases and improve your immune system. It just makes your body better, and it also fights away things like heart disease, diabetes, and osteoporosis. Improves your mood and fight off depression. This is pretty big. Of just getting active. If you're in the house too long, just sitting inside, not doing some things. Get active. Get your mind off of any stresses you have going on in your personal life, and make it as a time to get out and experience other things. Improves cognitive function. Yet again, like the mood part, this will just help your brain. You're getting out. You're doing something new. You're getting your exercise in. This is very beneficial for your brain. And then finally, weight loss. Though some patients or some geriatric in the population might want to be putting on weight, there are also a few that this could benefit in losing weight in that sense. Continuing on, we're going to look at the what ifs and the risks that you always see. What if I get hurt and injury? The excessive heart rate for some can be a big risk. Blood pressure can be a big risk. Dehydration can be a big risk. But all these can be prevented. You manage your intensity. You stay within your limits. You watch your form with our resistance exercises. And perform the exercises with light weight. Manage our intensity. Make sure we're drinking plenty of liquids. And yet again, it's a lot like life. There's a lot of things that are uncontrollable, and accidents do happen. But we can what we would need to do is try our best to manage those risks, and realize that some things happen, and you don't really have control of them in a certain setting. To end it off, I have some additional thoughts for you to think about with involving physical activity in your life. Try doing these exercises and these activities in groups with your friends or your family. This can be a great way to spend time with people, bond, get away from everything going on in your personal life, and just enjoy time with your family members and friends. You can do these exercise and activities that you enjoy and are comfortable with. Don't do things that you don't like to do. Don't make it a chore. Do something that you look forward to doing, that you say, oh, okay, I can't wait to do this today, or I can't wait to do that today. Don't make it as, oh man, I have to go out and run, or oh man, I have to go and work out. Do things that you find fun and beneficial for you. Remember, these activities and exercises are here to improve your overall health. That's the big thing to keep in mind. These are here These are here for a benefit for you. These are here people do not suggest these, and I do not suggest these to make your life worse. These are here to improve your life and make it more enjoyable. And then at the end of the day, with all these physical activities, make sure you're having fun and enjoying them. That's like the biggest message here. Make sure you're enjoying it. If you're not enjoying it, you're obviously there for the benefit and the health benefits, but make sure we're enjoying it. Those are all that I have. I also have a handout that I'll be giving out I appreciate you all listening, and I hope to see you getting physically active. And yes, have a good day. Thank you.